Alright, we got the cleaning product on the floor. We let it boil for 10 or so minutes. If you let it go any longer than that, it tends to start drying up. So, as you can hear in my background, we've got Rich over vacuuming this stuff up. So, we'll do these 3 bedrooms up here, and then we'll get them dried out, and then we'll move downstairs. Good thing about this buffer and that pad, it's a little bit bigger than the buffer itself, so it lets me get up against the walls and stuff. So this is in the process, and then we'll come back at you here in a minute with the clean floors, dried floors, and we'll take that same buffer and go over it with white pad, and you'll be surprised at what it does. So anyway, we'll be back here in just a few.